Hello folks, welcome back. The way you learn Java is doing more and more examples. So in this tutorial, we're going to do another example to illustrate variables. So it'll give you more practice and it'll make you understand variable concept better. So in this example, we're going to go ahead and create a program to calculate the addition of two numbers. To do that, we will create a simple class and the name of the class will be called as addition because we're adding two numbers. It will have a main method and we'll go ahead and say finish. So this is the first. So I need to add two numbers, so I need two variables to store those numbers. So let's say the first variable is called as number1, which has a value of 10 in it, and another number which has a value of 40 in it. So here I repeat, each variable has to have a type and has to have a name. So here int is the type of this variable and number1 is the name of the variable and the number1 has a value of 10 in it. Similarly, this is the type of the variable int and this is the name of the variable. So whatever data that you need to store in Java, you need variables to store that. And each of the variables you need to have the type of the variable defined and the name of the variable defined. So now I need to calculate the sum, the addition of these two numbers. So I need a variable that stores the addition. So that variable we can call it as sum, and that has a value of number 1 plus number 2. That's the addition of these two numbers. So now I need to go ahead and display the sum on the screen. So to do that, I'll do system.out.println and I will say sum of two numbers. So in this case, this part of the program will be printed as it is because this is defined in double quotes and this Java will consider it as a string. But I need to display the value of sum here. So I need Java to treat it as a variable. So here I will say without the double quotes. So now if you run the program, the output is going to be the sum, which is 10 plus 40. So the output is going to be sum of two numbers and the value of sum will be 50 here. So let's see if the answer is right. So now to run the program, you're going to say run as and Java application. So the output is right. Sum of two numbers is 50. So this is about the variables. So I'll see you in the next tutorial and thank you.